Good morning to all. Welcome to Blue Stars IS Scientist School. This is online class for 11th standard, subject commerce. Today we are going to see the new chapters and new topic. Last class we have seen about a joint stock company. In that we have discussed many types, importance of joint stock company, features, advantages, disadvantages, memorandum of association, article of association. Like that we are discussed in the last class. In this class now we are going to see a new chapter, that is cooperative society. We are going to see cooperative society, that is cooperative organization or cooperative societies. This is an unit 2 forms of business organization. In that we are seeing cooperative organization. We are discussing the cooperative society. What is meant by cooperative society? For benefit of the people. மக்களுக்காக ஆரம்பிக்கிற கவர்மெண்ட் சப்போர்ட் பண்றது எல்லாமே கோஆபரேட்டிவ் ஆர்கனைசேஷன். ஃபார் எக்ஸாம்பிள், in this pictures, in your screen you can see the two images, that is Kamadhenu supermarket and Avin. These both are the, in supermarket you can get all the things for daily necessity goods. In Avin you can get the milk product. These both are the cooperative organization. Let us go the lessons to the lesson. Let us go to the lessons. This is the learning objectives. What are the things you are going to be discussed in this chapter? Meaning, the meaning of cooperative and characteristics, advantages and disadvantages of cooperative society, principles of cooperative society, and finally we are going to discuss about types of cooperative society. These are the things we are going to be discussed in this chapter. Okay, let us see the meaning of cooperative society. What is meant by cooperative society? Cooperative society is fully formed for the purpose of people. For the people, they have started the cooperative society. A cooperative is a form of business organization which is owned and controlled by the people who use it the product and supplies or service. All the cooperatives varies in the types and membership sizes and all were the formed to meet the specific objectives of a members and are structured to adapt the members changing their needs. Based on the needs and objectives, the cooperative society were running. மக்களுக்கு என்ன தேவை இருக்கோ அந்த தேவையை பூர்த்தி பண்ணுறது தான் யாரோட வேலைன்னு பார்த்தோன்னா கோஆப்ரேட்டிவ் சொசைட்டியோட வேலை. அதாவது பேசிக் திங்னா சாப்பாடு, தேவையான அத்தியாவசிய பொருட்களை விற்பாங்க. அவங்க லாபம் சம்பாதிக்கிறதுக்கு விற்பாங்களான்னு கேட்டால் கண்டிப்பாக கிடையாது. டு ஏர்ன் நாட் டு ஏர்ன் எ ப்ராஃபிட். தேர் மோட்டிவ் இஸ் நாட் டு ஏர்ன் எ ப்ராஃபிட் மோட்டிவாக அவங்க பண்ண மாட்டாங்க. they are doing for their service motive. சர்வீஸ் தான் ஃபஸ்ட்டு அவங்க திங்க் ஓவர் பண்ணுவாங்க கோஆப்ரேட்டிவ் சொசைட்டி இருக்க மூலயமா. ஓகேங்களா? நெக்ஸ்ட் டெஃபினிஷன் ஆஃப் கோஆப்ரேட்டிவ் சொசைட்டிஸ். ஹச் கவர்ட் என்ன சொல்லியிருக்காருன்னு பார்த்தோன்னா, கோஆப்ரேட்டிவ் இஸ் எ ஃபார்ம் ஆஃப் ஆர்கனைசேஷன் in which the person is voluntarily associated together as human being on the basis of equality for all the promotion for the economics interested for themselves. இது வந்து கவர்ட் சொன்னது. அவர் என்ன சொல்கிறான்னு பார்த்தோன்னா, கோஆப்ரேட்டிவ் சொசைட்டின்றது ஒரு வாலண்ட்ரி அசோசியேஷன் பீப்புள், அதாவது வாலண்ட்ரியாக பீப்புள் வந்து முன் வந்து ஒரு பிஸ்னஸை ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணுறது தான் கோஆப்ரேட்டிவ் சொசைட்டி. அது முழுக்க பீப்புளோட பெனிஃபிட்காக மட்டும்தான். ஃபஸ்ட்டு இட் இஸ் அன் சர்வீஸ் ஓரியன்ட், செகண்ட் இஸ் அன் ப்ராஃபிட் ஓரியன்ட். ஃபஸ்ட்டு எய்ம் இஸ் டு சர்வீஸ் டு த பீப்புள். அடுத்தது சர் பிரிங்கட் அவர் என்ன சொல்கிறார் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, cooperative is a better farming, better business and better living. It is to better farm, better live and better business. This is an definition for cooperative society. Next, principle. What are the principles? What are the principles of cooperative society? என்ன நோக்கத்திற்காக இந்த cooperative society ஆரம்பிக்கிறோம்? First one, voluntary and open membership. It means the cooperative society is started by the voluntary persons. Minimum we need 7 members. 7 பேர் சேர்ந்து ஆரம்பிக்கிறது தான் வந்து இந்த கோஆப்ரேட்டிவ் சொசைட்டி. இது ஒரு ரூரல் ஏரியாவில் ஆரம்பித்தா கவர்மெண்ட் அவங்களுக்கு வரவேற்கத்தக்க நிறைய சப்சிடிஸ் கொடுப்பாங்க. எனி ஒன் கேன் ஸ்டார்ட் அட் த பிஸ்னஸ். இந்த வாலண்டரி பர்சன் தான் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணணுன்றதெல்லாம் கிடையாது. வாலண்டரியாக பர்சன்ஸ் முன் வந்து ஆரம்பிக்கிற பிஸ்னஸ் தான் இந்த கோஆப்ரேட்டிவ் சொசைட்டி. வாலண்டரி அண்ட் ஓப்பன் மெம்பர்ஷிப். Anyone can join in the voluntary. Anyone can join in the voluntary. Anyone can retire. எனக்கு பிடிக்கலன்னா விலகவும் செஞ்சுக்கலாம். இல்லை புதுசாக ஒரு மெம்பர்ஸ் வரன்னா கூட நம்ம ஆட் பண்ணிக்கலாம். இவ்வளோதான்றது கிடையவே கிடையாது. For their voluntary, they are undertaking these principles. Next, voluntary of and open membership. The cooperative or voluntary organization open to all the people able to use its service and willingness to accept the responsibilities of membership without a gender, a social, radical, political and regional discriminations. This is a voluntary and open membership. Democratical membership control. Democratical membership control அப்படின்னா என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா, it is democratic. Democratic in sense means freedom. Anyone can come and join, anyone can retire. They give the full freedom. They did not put their burden to the members. Burden தலை மேலே ஏற்றி வைக்க மாட்டாங்க. They give the full freedom to the members. Cooperatives are a democratical organization controlled by their members. Those who buy the goods or uses the service of the cooperative, who actively participated in the setting of policies and making a decision. They can be take decisions and make a policies. All the members in a cooperative society have the eligibility to take the decision and take the members in their decision-making power. It is a democratical membership control. Next, member of economic participation. Member of economic participation in sense means member contribute the equal to and democratic control and capital of the cooperative. This benefit members is promotion to the business they conduct with their cooperative rather than the one of the capital investment. That is, every members in a cooperative organization contribute the capital in equal manner. They are providing their capital contribution to their providing manner. They can be actively participations in their work. They provide their goal settings and easily achievement. This is a member of economical policies. Membership to the economical participation. This is a membership. Every member in the cooperative organization, they are contribute the equal democratic. அவங்களுக்கு ஈக்குவலான democratic which means they give the freedom to everyone. Next, automatical and independence. They give them a autonomous and self-help organization controlled by the members. It is a cooperative organization enter into an agreement with a member of organization or raises the capital for external resources. It is done on the basis on the term that ensure a democratical control by the members and maintains the cooperative autonomy. That is, it is an autonomous and independence. It is not depend upon for the government and private. It is autonomous. Cooperative society is autonomous. அது கவர்மெண்ட்டையோ இல்லை அதை சார்ந்த வேறு எதையோ அது டிபெண்ட் பண்ணி இருக்காது. ப்ரைவேட் செக்டாரையோ இல்லை ஃபுல் அண்ட் ஃபுல் கவர்மெண்ட்டையோ சார்ந்து இருக்காது. அது ஃபுல்லாகவே யாருங்க சார்ந்து இருக்குன்னா தன்னை தானே சார்ந்து இருக்கும். அந்த மெம்பர்ஸை தான் சார்ந்து இருக்கும். ஸோ இட் இஸ் அண்ட் கோஆப்ரேட்டிவ் அண்ட் autonomous. அப்போ ரூல்ஸ் அண்ட் ரெகுலேஷன்ஸ் ஆர் ஃப்ரேம்டு பை த மெம்பர்ஸ் இன் ஏ கோஆப்ரேட்டிவ் ஆர்கனைசேஷன்ஸ். அவங்க தன்னை தானே ரூல்ஸ் அண்ட் ரெகுலேஷன்ஸை ஃப்ரேம் பண்ணிப்பாங்க. அதுதான் என்னன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அட்டானமஸ் அண்ட் இண்டிபெண்டன்ஸ் சொல்லி சொல்கிறாங்க. Next, education, training and information. They provide training and education and information. They give the proper training to handle their business and they give the proper training to handle the things which are in the cooperative organization. This is an information. The informations and trainings are provided by the various sectors in the government. The cooperative provides the education and training for the members and elected the representatives, managers, employees, so they can contribute the efficiency to the development of their cooperative. Members is also informed the general public, but the nature and benefits of cooperatives based on the benefits of cooperatives. Next, cooperatives among the cooperatives, cooperation among the cooperatives. The cooperation service is a member most effective and strengthen the cooperative movement by working together through local, national, religion, and international structures. They have the cooperative within a members, they have to be coordinated, they have their strength within the members. அப்போ ஒரு மெம்பருக்கும் ஒரு மெம்பருக்கும் எந்த ஒரு பிரச்சனை இருக்கக்கூடாது, எந்த ஒரு பாகுபாடமும் இருக்கக்கூடாது. அந்த மாதிரி இருந்தால் தான் என்ன பண்ண முடியும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கோஆப்ரேட்டிவ் ஆர்கனைசேஷனை ரன் பண்ண முடியும். நெக்ஸ்ட், consent for community. Consent for community, which means they give their consent, which gives them subsidiaries. While focusing on members, the needed of cooperative work for the suitable development of the communities through politicals and programs are accepted by the members. ஒரு சில ப்ரோக்ராம்ஸும் பொலிட்டிக்கல் இஷ்யூஸும் they are accepted by the members. And then, what are the futures? What are the important features of cooperative organization? It is already we said that voluntary membership. Anyone can join in the society. Anyone can leave at any time. Already we are discussed. Everyone have the equal rights. In a cooperative society, every members have their own equal rights. They can take decision among the discussing with their people. They can suggest their own ideas. They can show their own decision making power. These are the equal rights. Next, democracy. Democracy means everyone have the freedom to work in their society, and people who can be adopt while they are decision making. Decision of the majority of next, honesty. Every member should have their own honesty and self-respect. They have to provide them honesty. It is a basic principles of the society. யாரையும் ஏமாற்றக்கூடாது. அப்போ நம்பிக்கையின் பேரில் தான் நம்ம என்ன பண்ணணும்னா cooperative society ஆரம்பிக்கிறோம். So in that way, every cooperative society has their member should have their honesty. It is a basic principles of the society. Its a member should be honest. Selfish people cannot be run the main business of cooperative society. It's mutual confidence. Mutual confidence. We have to make the secrecy in cooperative society. There should be a mutual trustees believe whatever it may be in a cooperative society. The foundation of a cooperative society is laid on a mutual confidence. Member of a cooperative society should trust the each and work like a teamwork. With a team, we are working together. So we have to think over in a mutual confidence. Next, welfare of main objectives. What are the main objectives? We have to provide a goods and services and the lower service is the first. We have to think over that and we have to provide the goods and services. Next, cash payment. Probably cash payment. They should not give the credit term. Only cash on delivery is accepted. So in that way, we can reduce the bad debits. Economic. Based on this Indian economy, the principles of economy, the misusing of capitals and awakening interests of society will be developed. Based on this, they can develop themselves. And distribution of profit. Every profit, 1/3 of profit is 1/4 of all reserves are 10% of the reserves are எடுத்து வச்சிருவாங்க. மீதி இருக்கிற எல்லாத்தையுமே என்ன பண்ணுவாங்கன்னா the members will be share their profit according to the agreed ratio. Next, self-service. In a cooperative society, there is a self-service. As a customers, as a member of the cooperative society, they have to provide the self-services to the society. It is a self-services thing. Next, advantages of cooperative society. What are the advantages? Voluntary organization. திரும்ப இந்த பாயிண்ட் வந்துட்டு தான் இருக்கும். Voluntary organization. Every members to be comes in a voluntary organization and could join together and provide the facility. Next, easy formation. Any 25 members of a majority of a join together and start their cooperative society. ஓகேங்களா. நெக்ஸ்ட் டெமோக்ரஸி டு ரன் த ஒன் மேன் ஒன் ஓட். ஓகேங்களா, எல்லாருக்குமே ஓட்டு உரிமை இருக்குது, எல்லாருக்குமே சரிசமமான உரிமை இருக்கு எதுன்னு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா அந்த கோஆபரேட்டிவ் சொசைட்டியில். Next, equal distribution of surplus. They are providing the equal distribution surplus of it may be a profit or running the excess of 10% of surplus of utilization of promoting the welfare. Locality of cooperative is next, limited liability. They have to provide the limited liability. The number of the cooperative organizations have the limited liability. They can be provided capital contribution in a limited and separate legal entities. They have a separate legal rules and regulations and the way of affected by the death, insanity, solvency of a member. They can enjoy the perpetual subscription. அதாவது ஒருத்தர் எடுத்துட்டாரோ போயிட்டாரோ வந்துட்டாரோ இருந்தாலும் கடையை மூடணும்னு எந்த ஒரு அவசியம் இல்லை. யூ கேன் ஜாயின் த அதர் பர்சன் ஈச் ஃபார் ஆல் அண்ட் ஆல் ஃபார் ஈச். எல்லாருக்குமே சரி சமமான உரிமைகள் அந்த இடத்துல கொடுக்கப்பட்டு இருக்கு. கோஆபரேட்டிவ் சொசைட்டி they give the self and mutual help to contribute the promoting the common welfare. Next, greater identity of interest. They providing the greater identity. It's operated the limited and hierarchical area and it is a greater identity of interest among the member. The member would be interactive with each other. They can be cooperative and manage the activities of society in more effective manner. Is a greater identity. Next, government supplies the government that gives the promotion of a cooperative society in all the expense of supporting. They provide the loans at a cheaper rate and providing their subsidies. In that way, they can easily start their business and they can provide the goods and services to the public in cheaper rate. Their aim will be easily achieved. Next, elimination of middleman. Here, there is no middleman. There is no middleman means the cost of the goods will be reduced in a manner. So, the cooperative society deals directly with the producer with then limited consumers. Therefore, they are not dependent on the middleman. They can be profit is enjoyed by the middleman. Save the profit will be enjoyed by the middleman. Tax concessions. The promotion of cooperative movement and also a way because of the fact non-profit enterprises or the government provides a various exemption of tax exemption. There will be a tax exempted. என்ன பண்ணுறாங்க, டேக்ஸை எக்ஸாம் பண்ணுறாங்க. அப்போ அவங்க ஏர்ன் பண்ணுற இன்கம்க்கு எதுக்குமே டேக்ஸு கிடையாது. ஓகேங்களா, they are free from the tax. Next, rural credit. They use the cooperative society have contributed the signification in free villages from money lenders and earlier money lenders used to change the high rate of interest and earning the villages are spending on the payment on the interest alone. And this is your assignment. Make note of your assignment, the principles of cooperative societies and advantages of cooperative societies, and notes materials given in the school website. Thank you to all. Thank you to all, and send your assignment to school app. Don't forget it. Start reading. There is no time to do a revision. Study well. Thank you to all. Thank you.